Yo, Daniel, what's up? Daniel?
Yeah, what's up?
Right.
Is it on?
What?
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, what's up?
Right. Battery out.
No, first box fight just to warm us up just to see okay.
Okay. Box fights. Alright. Where's the box fights?
Make me fight later.
Alright. Alright.
Guys, this time we're just gonna show you how good we are. This time we're gonna have to subscribe, okay? If we hit 50 subs, we will do something crazy. Right, Tenzin?
Yeah. No, if we hit 500 subs, we'll do something.
Right now you can write
Don't
down in the
tell them,
comments your
don't tell
username and friend us.
Yeah. If we hit 500 subs, we'll let you guys friend us. Daniel is very good. Daniel's pretty good.
Tenzin, is there anybody watching it?
No, this is just a recording. Right, the second one, okay? Do the second one.
I wanna do classic.
Alright, whatever. So guys, Daniel is very good. Daniel is very good. This typical gamer guy, he is very good. It's actually good. Hold on. Oh no! Oh no! Bruh! See, he's very good. He's typical gamer.
Bro, I started I don't know when I started, but season 3, chapter 4. Or season 10, I think I started. I'm pretty good.
Yeah,
I
he's
have no fear on people.
Very good. He's very good actually. Yeah. Wow!
Spamming. That's called spamming, Tenzin.
I know. Daniel! I could edit some notes. Not that. Whoosh! Outbox! You outbox me. Getting out. Nope. Not getting me. He's got the high ground, boy. Or not anymore though. Nope! You guys, Daniel, he's typical gamer and he's very good. No, Twitchy gamer. It's Twitchy gamer.
It's goddamn Twitchy gamer.
But he is very good. He is very good.
First, Tenzin, make it. Tenzin, don't build. Just exit. And you click exit the button real quick. And
Okay.
they'll have to look at my click on me,
See?
my mic,
Twitchy
and then
gamer.
look at me, and then they'll just wait for 30 seconds, and they'll just probably
See guys?
just wait for 30 seconds.
I shot him and he just starts making.
Wait, what the hell is that?
Oh no. So guys, please subscribe. Please sub. This is my first video, guys. I am not a very good YouTuber, and so please sub, guys. Please, guys. Whoa! Hey, Daniel, let's play a battle royale. Okay? Return to lobby.
Okay, let's do it.
Right.
Exit.
Right.
Guys, please friend me.
Guys, we're going to do a very big challenge. That is, we're going to only use Avatar Mythics only, okay? That good, Daniel?
No, we're not doing avatar mythics.
Okay, come on, for the sub.
No, we're only gonna do epic weapons.
Wait, actually no, let's just do a normal battle royale. Daniel, choose the battle royale.
Okay.
Alright, battle royale. Alright, ready up.
Do you want to see one of my rarest teams I have in season 10?
Guys, Daniel, show them the rarest skin.
This is my rarest team that I have right now.
That's the emo.
Oh yeah, that's the emo I'm saying.
Oh yeah,
Favorite
the
skin.
gloves.
This is my favorite skin.
Yeah. My favorite skin.
Oh, how many people are watching it right now?
Wait, Daniel. I'm recording. Not live,
Okay.
okay? Daniel, where should we land? Let's go get the air and the water, okay?
So we're landing over here, Tenzin. This is the best spot almost in the game.
I'll go get the air. Daniel, I will go get the air, right?
We're going over there, okay? This is one of the best spots to do.
I'm going to get the air. Daniel, where's the air?
Bot lobby right now.
Daniel, do you know where is the air?
Air is over there where I just marked the blue marker.
Oh, I have the blue marker. Can I have one of the air?
Now guys, look at this edits I have right now. Look at this edits.
Yeah, Daniel is very good at. He's good at building too. Not that good. But guys, please subscribe. Please sub. Just
Sub Tenzin.
if we hit 500 subs, we'll let you guys friend us. And Twitchy Gamer is very good.
And guys, I get to 1v1 at this time.
Yeah, Daniel, he can 1v2. Literally.
Tenzin, you can be on a team with somebody else. I'll just knock them down.
He can 1v2. He can even 1v3 actually.
No 1v4.
He's very good, guys. So you guys should subscribe. Sub.
I can 1v1.
We need to hit 500 subs. Okay. Our first goal is to just hit 500 subs. That's not very hard, okay? That good? Guys? Hello?
Subscribe. It's simple.
Good?
Like the button, hit the notifications all, and then subscribe.
Yeah, guys. Just sub to us when we hit 500. It will be good, okay?
That's a quick land over there.
I'm getting the air mythic.
I know, get it over there.
Hey, I am. Air and air. Ooh, there's some stuff there.
Ooh, I got air bend. I mean, I got fire bending.
Wait, how did, bruh, you got all of these chests? That's it, I'm not giving you.
Yeah, and plus
air
I got an
bending.
epic 100%. You give me it, you know, give it to me.
No.
Drop me one.
Then you have to drop me a weapon. Huh? Is that fair? Bruh, that's a heal.
We have this.
Okay. This?
Oh, wait, actually, there's this Tenzin over here. This weapon right here.
What?
There's a weapon right over there. Wait, where can I mark? There and then there.
This? And
Where's my air bending?
yeah, right here.
That's where's it? Okay, there.
Right, Daniel, let's go get
And
the
now let's
water,
go over
okay?
here.
Daniel, we gotta go get the water.
I know. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah,
Tenzin.
let's go, let's go.
Me and my monkey don't wear underpants. Me and my monkey.
Right.
That's a good weapon.
Bro, I just fall off the cliff. But I didn't take any cold damage. So,
Me and my monkey.
maybe I'm not sure.
I really need no much more mythics. I just love fire bending and air bending.
Then can you just give me the
Tenzin,
water?
you can grab that, you can grab that, you can grab that.
Wait, what? Why were you there? I thought you were going there. I thought you were getting the water mystic, Daniel.
But I don't
Oh,
want
you
to get it. I
serious
want to
right
get it
now?
right now.
Okay,
I'm gonna change my
let's go.
settings real quick. Something.
Okay.
It'll be very fast. There
Okay,
you
so
go.
next.
That feels better now. Marking. Okay, let's go to home. Guys, also, if you see Tenzin's face, you barely see it. But, if you want to wonder how my face looks like, hit 500
Yeah,
subs.
you guys can't see us, our face. Alright. When we hit 50
But if you
subs,
wanna
we'll reveal our face, okay?
And our face is actually not like what you expected. Never expected. Also, guys, I want to 1v1 of you guys, any of you. But if it's typical gamer watching this, Jesus Christ. Tenzin, come over here. You can get full shield.
Wait a minute, Daniel. There was
Tenzin,
only
come over
one
here.
water mythic.
Tenzin, come over here. You can.
Well, oh, yeah.
I don't need water method.
Okay.
Drop one.
No,
You
there's...
can get full shield right here, Tenzin. Come over here.
But
Don't do
Daniel,
anything.
Oh, no. There's... Oh.
It's alright, Tenzin. I'm a sweat.
But Daniel, there's no more
Then-
water mythic.
I don't need a water mythic.
Okay, you don't need it?
I don't need a water mythic. I already have fire mythic.
You already have that? Wait, Daniel, I have... No, Daniel. The fire and the air is gonna be crazy. You air jump, and then, like, you do the fire slam. It's gonna be crazy, dude. Oh, yeah, those people? Good. Wait, Daniel, I need some SMG bullets, bro.
Sorry.
Are you serious? Alright, Daniel, let's get in circle, Use your air mythic. Daniel, where are you? Alright, let's go.
You can get butts on mountains too, remember?
Yeah, I know.
It's crazy, right?
You guys can...
Well, Tenzin, I'll tell you when to jump, okay? 3, 2, 1, jump.
Woo!
I was gonna jump on this thing, but...
But let's go to Grand Glacier.
Okay, I'm coming. Tenzin. Just watch out, there's a cannonball.
Okay. Get your water mystic ready. Where am I?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some mats, okay, Daniel?
I'm gonna have a fire method, bro. Oh, here, player.
Oh, you do? Okay. Get
Yeah,
your
it's
water
alright.
mystic ready, okay?
It's alright,
Yeah.
because I just killed him.
Yeah.
I'm hitting the gritty on him right now, guys. Give me a second. Okay, don't kill him. I was gonna do the
Oh,
gritty
me?
on him.
Oh no, some people are here.
Lost.
I'm spraying him.
Okay, now it's time to do the lost attempt. No, I mean,
Yeah, Daniel's got the griddle. That's really cool.
I'm literally dying.
You're dying, Daniel? You need any help? You're full shield and full health. Why do you need any help? Do you need...
No, I'm not asking you to give me help. I'm asking that I'm Diamond 1 player. I need Diamond 2. I'm out.
I thought you were saying that you were dying. Why is there an elevator? Dude, there's an elevator. There's a freaking elevator here, bro. Like, let's just go. I don't really care about it. Elevator.
Hello, I'm 225.
Not needed. Let's go. Not much here.
And then if we get this dub, we have to get 10 subs at least.
Yeah, man. At least if we get this W, man.
I'm gonna try to get you 10 subs, okay? I'm gonna try to win.
Hi guys.
Dead. 31.
Wait, one of my friends went to.
I'm so close from being dead, but I don't care because I just got him.
Sorry,
And then I need help, like fight someone else.
There's
That's gonna be wrong.
again.
I need help. That's a chin. No, stop stealing everything.
Okay.
I got these two guys. I need to shield that.
Wait, where are they? Where are they?
I got them on Tenzin and you were behind me.
There's a purple sniper right here. If you want.
I don't care. I don't get it. God, Tenzin, you can do this. You get this guy, Tenzin. He's just spray him, Tenzin. He's right over there. Don't revive me. Spray him. He's right there.
What?
Spray him.
Oh,
He's right
yeah.
there.
Wait, what? Wait, bruh.
Tenzin, do you suck at Fortnite or something?
I'm trying to spray him.
Tenzin, you weren't spraying him.
He was dodging around.
Tenzin, why is this a...
Oh, yo, Max injured. Max, what's up, Max?
Max is not joining the party.
Well, go to a party channel. Max, up.
What's up, bro?
What's up? So, guys, this is one of my other friends. Okay?
Hold on, there's a spider on my wall.
What?
There's a spider on my wall.
Tenzin.
Okay, return to lobby, guys.
No, Tenzin, I'll invite you.
I killed the spider.
Okay.
That was food. That was easy.
Yeah.
What are you playing?
Let's. Well, I'm gonna go to Tipple. Well, I'm gonna invite Max, okay?
Yo, what's up, Tenzin?
So, I'm inviting that guy. What's up, Max? Guys, shall we play Deagles only? Then can you make me party leader? I want to choose a game.
What is it called?
Deagles only. It's like practicing with Deagles.
What?
I'm telling Daniel to make me party leader.
Okay.
At least make me fire leader back.
Okay.
Make me fire leader back though.
There we go.
I'm making fire leader.
Oh, I wanna play this.
Yeah, it's very fun.
When you were on earlier, I tried to join your party, but you got offline.
Oh yeah, right. Sorry.
It's fine. I was playing with my friend.
Oh,
That's why I couldn't touch it.
oh, your
When we
brother?
started playing. No, I was playing with my friend.
Oh, okay.
We won a victory royale.
Daniel, put that skin off.
Wow. Is this a one-shot game?
Tenzin, this is practice on you're aiming on a hand cannon, not an eagle sniper rifle.
No, this is an
Oh.
eagle.
Oh,
I like playing with the Deagle.
I'm dumb. Sorry. Maybe I was mistaken. I was probably mistaken.
Sorry.
What did they say? It's a hand cannon,
I
Tenzin.
suck on my water.
Yeah, and hand cannons are deagles.
And they literally suck.
They don't suck. If you hit them in the head, it goes 165. But if
Yeah,
you
blah, blah,
hit... Really?
Yeah, guys.
I want shockwave and rocker. Dude, what the heck?
Max, you're
Whoa.
still up there, bro.
What?
You're still up there, Max? Wait, where's the
No?
I have the best attachments
I
in the game.
think that.
Oh, okay.
Yo, I want to upgrade my Deagle. How can I upgrade
Hey,
it?
why are you trying to shoot me, Max?
I feel good too?
Oh, yeah, it's Daniel.
Yo, the fucking... Back off.
Back off, little boy.
I'm back.
What's up, little motherfucker?
What?
Daniel,
Oh,
Come on, let's go.
see, it's one shot.
Yeah, it's one shot.
Wait, oh, I can upgrade it. I'm putting a scope on this thing.
I suck at
Okay.
upgrading.
A big scope.
I'm gonna see you for sure.
What?
Whoa. Bruh.
I have too much good aim.
Daniel was using it like a sniper, bro.
Guys,
Because I'm a good sniper.
do you guys want to go on buildings and snipe each other?
Guys, get down here.
Yo, I want to do this. One. It's for you snipers. Yeah, I'm coming down. I can't believe it's one shot. Yeah, you can't hit that. Bada bing, bada bing.
How did you get me? Okay, good job.
I'm stuck on it now.
Messenger.
Yo, wait, what?
Messenger.
My voice is cracking.
What's up, Max?
No. Go. Yeah.
You just side-eye.
Okay. I'm fine with that. I'll get in different shockwave. Give me. Wait. I'm gonna pack up on shockwave. I packed up.
Whoa, no.
Let's watch out.
I just-
kill.
I knew Daniel was here.
Tenzin.
Oh.
I did not know you could build.
Wait, how did you get me? You could
And I got you.
Max.
You take pro damage?
Yeah, you do.
Oh.
Don't have
Wait,
my-
would you say good aim? I saw you out of midair.
Me,
I'm the
I'm
boss.
a monkey.
Dude, I'm scared. I think I'm not.
How the fuck did you get me?
I was up on the
Yo,
roof.
Max, up. How's you doing? How's you doing? Huh?
Aw.
Nope. Where's
Ha!
that sound? Where's that
Oh, what's
sound?
this?
Oh, no.
Literally a cannon sniper. Oh, I have
You're
it.
using it like a sniper.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, if it is.
Yo! I take fall
Yo, guys, I
damage.
gotta get off.
Why?
Yeah, sorry. It's a little too late.
Aw, dude, come on.
Alright, sorry.